The Google Suite, which is Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides, all these things, actually you can disable people from making a copy, download, or even print. Now, I've noticed this and I find this very interesting because I've subscribed to one of some guru, alright? And when I try to download the document, I'm not able to download it. And I find this interesting and I wanted to share with you all. Okay, before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so they can get more tips like this. Okay, without further ado, let me jump into my computer and let me show you how you can set security limitation on your Google files so people cannot download, make a copy, and print that file. Let's go. Okay, so I've created a Google Doc. Okay, and it looks something like this. You can do it whether it's in Google Slides, Google Doc, or Google Sheet. It's the same thing, alright? So now just open up any Google file. So this is one of my Google file. How do you set it to lock? All you have to do is just click on share. Alright, so you can set it restricted, or that means only people can access, can open the link, or anyone with the link. So this is one way to set the general access, but the way to set the security limitation is actually to click on the gear icon at the settings, and then you can see here access. Allow editor to change permission and share. So you can put it here, okay, if you want to, okay. And then here you can see people who can download, copy, and print, whether editors or commenter and viewers. But if you do not want them, so as my initial setting, so it is in tandem. Whatever you set here, whether it's viewer, editor, or commenter, it will affect here as well. So for me, I do not want them to edit or do not want them to comment, alright? And I do not want them to allow editor. So you can see all it turned off. Alright. So what happened with this? So you can see the settings are updated. Only owners will see the option to download, copy, and print. So basically you can click here, you can see here, you can share, you can download, you can make a copy. Where's the make a copy? Make a copy, alright? But for people that I send this link to, they're not able to do it. For example, I just share the link here, copy the link, done. So let me open my another Google profile. So I just have to paste and go. So you can see this is another Google profile, alright? And then see there's a security limitation, got it. So when you click on the security limitation, you can see here on top, there's a shield icon, click on it, and then you can see view all limitations. So you can see the limitation. You cannot make a copy, you cannot download, you cannot print, you cannot email. Super safe. And when you go to file, you can see that there's no way for you to email, make a copy, or download, compared to this where you can still do all this. Alright, so admin still have the access to do all this, but you can set it at here again as share, and then click on the gear icon, do a settings here, and with that automatically your document will have a security limitation, and then not everyone can make a copy, download, print, or email. Yeah, this is very interesting. If you are selling digital products, you don't put in the PDF, this is one way you can do it. If you like what I share, do give me a like, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.